triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So this is radius 4 centimeter. A triangle is circumscribing this circle with the radius 4 centimeter. Okay. They have given the radius as 4 centimeter. This radius is 4 centimeter. Such that the segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact DR of length 8 centimeter. This is BD. BD is equal to 8 centimeter and DC is equal to 6 centimeter. So BD here it is 8 and DC it is 6 centimeter. So now find the sides AB and AC. You have to find out the lengths AB and AC. Look at this diagram. So B is an external point. You can take BD as a tangent. So you can write this also 8 centimeter. And this is 6 centimeter. I can write this also 6 centimeter. Because tangents drawn from. You can call this as E and this is F. So BE also equal to 8 centimeter and CF is also equal to 6 centimeter. We do not know these two lengths. You can take this as X and X centimeters. Okay. So let us join these points of contact. So also join the radius. Join this vertex to the center, this vertex also to the center, and this also to the center. This is the construction. So let us write what is given. So here BD is equal to 8 centimeter, then DC is equal to 6 centimeter, then OD radius is equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. So we have to find out the radius. So the question what you have to do, you have to find out the radius. So to find, what we need to find, that is, not the radius. What is that they asked us to find out? Length of AB and AC. What is AB and what is AC? We need to find the lengths. AB, this length AB as well as AC. So in finding the solution, so let us join OA, OB and OC. All the vertices we join. So again join OE and OF also. Okay. Here this is 4 centimeter, means this also 4 centimeter, this also 4 centimeter. And you take let AF is equal to AE. Both are equal to X centimeters. So we have taken AF is equal to AE and both are equal to X centimeter. Now your job is to find out the area of this triangle in two different methods. So what are the different methods you can do? So first you can use the Heron's formula to find out the area of this triangle. So to find area of triangle, so area of ABC, area of triangle ABC is equal to root of S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. So we have to use this one. Let us find out what is S here. So S is the semi-perimeter. S is equal to sum of all the three sides AB plus BC plus AC divided by 2. So what is AB, BC and AC? Look at this diagram and tell me now. AB, it is X plus 8. So you can write here X plus 8. So this is X plus 8 plus BC. Look at the diagram. BC here 8 plus 6. It is 14. So you can write here 14. 14. BC here 14 plus AC. AC, look at the diagram. AC here X plus 6. So you can write in place of AC as X plus 6. X plus 6 divided by 2. So what it is, let us see now. So X plus 6, 2x, then 14 plus 6, 20, 28 by 2. So if you divide this, will become X plus 14. This is S value. Similarly, let us find out what is S minus A. S minus A, what is S minus B, what is S minus C. So, S minus A. S minus A means, what is A? Opposite to the vertex, the side opposite to vertex A. S minus A. This is A value, it is 14. Say A value, it is 14. B value, opposite to this one. B value, it is x plus 6. C value, opposite to this vertex 6, the side x plus 8. So you can substitute here. S means x plus 14 minus A value. A value is 14. A value you can write, it is 14. So here 14 and 14 cancels, you will get the value x centimeter. Similarly, S minus B, x plus 14, it is x plus 14 minus, so see what is the value of B here. B here, x plus 6, you can write here x plus 6, so minus of x plus 6. Simplify this, x plus 14 minus x, x and x cancels, so x minus 14 minus 6, it is 8 centimeter. Similarly, S minus C, it is x plus 14 minus of, what is that C you see now? That is x plus 8. So you can substitute here x plus 8 and simplify this. X plus 14, it becomes minus x minus 8, x and x cancels. 14 minus 8, it is 6 centimeter. So you can substitute in the formula. Area is equal to, area of triangle ABC is equal to root of S into S minus A. S value, you know that it is x plus 14. This is S value. S minus A. S minus A, it is x into S minus B. S minus B, it is 8 into S minus C here, it is 6 centimeters. So you simplify this one. So this will become 48 x into x plus 14. Okay, this is the value of area of triangle ABC, square units. You can take this outside also. I think 4 3x into x plus 14 square units. So this is the area of the triangle ABC. First case. Then second case 2. The same area we can calculate by splitting this into 3 triangles. I can split this triangle into 3 triangles. This is one triangle and this is another triangle. So this is third triangle. First let us find out the area of this one by taking area of AOC, then BOC plus AOB. So area of ABC, you can write it as area of ABC. So you can write area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle. You can see the diagram AOB. So I will write here AOB plus area of triangle BOC. So we will write here area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle. Look at the diagram and tell me what is that? It is AOC. You can write here AOC. So you know that formula to find out the area of triangle is half into base into height. First let us find out the area of AOB. AOB, see this is base AB and OE is height. So AB half into AB into OE. You can write here half into AB into OE plus again half into BOC. Look at the diagram. BOC is this one, half into BC into OD, half into BC into OD. So you can write here BC into OD. Then again half into AOC, area of AOC, AC into OF. So that you can write here AC into OF. Substitute the values now. Half into AP. We know the diagram. AB value is equal to x plus 8. You can write here x plus 8. So x plus 8. It is OE is the radius. You can write 4 centimeter radius it is. Plus half into BC. Look at the diagram. BC it is 6 plus 8. That means 14. So you can write here 14. And OD is the radius again. It is 4 centimeter. Then half into AC here x plus 6. So you can write here x plus 6 into OF is the radius. Divide this one, 2 2s are, again 2 2s are, 2 2s are. So what is left out now? 2 into x plus 8 plus 2 into 14, that is 28. 2 into x plus 6. So now you simplify this. 2x plus 16, you are multiplying 2 inside, plus 28 plus 2x plus 12. 2x plus 12, you have multiplied 2 inside. Now if you add all this, you will get 4x plus 16, 1, 2, 4, 56. So this is the area. Now we can take common also. 4 into x plus 14. So this is the area of triangle ABC. So this is case 2, and we got the same area by using Heron's formula. This is the area, triangle, both are same. This you can write 1 from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. So this area 4 into root of 3x into x plus 14 is same as 4 into x plus 14. Okay. Now square it both sides. On squaring both sides, this becomes 16 into the square root cancels, 3x into x plus 14 is equal to 4 into 4 means 16 into x plus 14 whole square. See here x plus 14 and the square cancels, 16 and 16 cancels. So what is left out here in the left hand side? It is 3x only. So you are left with the 3x is equal to, in the right hand side you are left with x plus 14. So 16 cancels, here x plus 14 and the square cancels. So you are left with only 3x in the left hand side, in the right hand side x plus 14. Now transfer x to the left side. Minus x is equal to 14, 2x is equal to 14, x is equal to 7. So x is equal to 7 means, let us find out what is that they asked at AB and AC. What is the length of AB? What is the length of AC? Look at the diagram. What is AB here? It is x plus 8. You can write it here x plus 8, that is 7 plus 8, it is 15 centimeter. It is x plus 6, AC is x plus 6, 7 plus 6, so it is 13 centimeter. So that's the proof.